This is my Flexi hand that I've had a while. I just wanted to show you the filing of the tips on this one as opposed to the hand I reviewed last week. Just to show you the difference in the tips and what I was actually on about, because I don't think some people realised what I was on about. Okay, so these are the nails that I've got from eBay, which I used on the other hand as well. And I've put tips on, just ordinary tips. Now you can see they don't, if you pull them, they will come up, but they're nowhere near like the other. So I've started filing one, so I'll just show you. I have got my finger on there. I have ordered a hand dolly because somebody had recommended that, so I'm going to have a try with that one and see what that's like, just so it's a more realistic hand. But I would definitely recommend the Flexi hand because I think, or Flexi fingers, whichever that you want to use, it's quite sturdy, doesn't move around, it's not it's not as wobbly as it is on an arm, I would say. So I'm putting quite a lot of pressure on that nail. That's cockeyed as usual. That's lifting a little bit there. I think it just needs to go in a bit further. There we go. And I don't want to have to stick the nails to the nail bed because I don't want to be soaking them off. I think that's kind of too time consuming. You want to practice, you want to get them on, get them off the hand, put your new set on. But this is just a super quick one. I'm going to put a design on this later, but I just wanted to show you in terms of filing. And like I said, I am putting quite a bit of force on these, as you can hear. That little nail is far too long. Let's trim that down a little bit. There we go. What do we think of that? Quite impressed with that, to be honest. Right. I will be back with another video later.